What's going on, everyone? This is Justin Bennett, and this is my workspace. So this is the remote that I use to change all of the colors on the afterglow on my workstation here. So anytime you're working on any type of a video, you always need some sort of light. Like, that's the one thing that you always need. And that's what we do. We keep it bright around here. So I've got this light right here that keeps everything going. Yeah. As well as this light right here. As I was saying, in this Bead Lab, we like to keep it lit. And this is also where Spider-Man kind of hangs around the Bead Lab as well. So up here is where I keep a lot of like extra things, controllers, and got Groot in the background hanging out. And then the bead hype, as you see, made from Vicky's Candy Shop Puppet. Big shout out to Vicky for that. Here is the camera I use right here on the tripod. It is the Sony HD. I don't remember what model it is, but it's pretty epic. Right over here, we've got some more studio equipment here. We've got the microphone, dressed in gold. And then right over here, where this light's at, right, I've got my stand where I can put the cell phone and do the turbo live streams, the Bead Hype live streams. And obviously you can see that I've got beads all the way around, but not just in the Bead Lab area, but also in the other rooms. That's one of my favorites right there, along with this guy, this little one. Hey, Chloe. So now that you've seen a portion of it, let's get to the beads. Show you the bead stash. So right over here, you've got some beads over here. A little bit of storage. In this area right over here, in this top drawer, I keep a lot of the beads over here. So my colors are all organized out. Some extra supplies, a little bit of everything, some string, some scissors, and other things, string. And then at the bottom, we've got the beads that haven't been organized just yet, that are in bags. I know it looks like a lot of beads, but I don't know. I got a bead problem. Oh, and in the back, obviously, you can see the YouTube play button. This year, I'm hoping to hit 20K soon. We'll make another YouTube play button and put it in that case to replace. I don't know. It's probably gonna happen. Hopefully. Like I said, it's a custom play button. YouTube hasn't sent me a play button. I'm not big enough yet, but eventually, the dream is to have one on the wall, so we go ahead and reward ourselves. But as for everything else on this wall, you can find it on my Etsy shop and put some of these creations on your wall. Doing this will help support this channel, as well as changing the look of the Bead Lab, as more creations will continue going up on this wall. That's etsy.com/shop/TurboBeads. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of my workspace, aka the Bead Lab. Feel free to give this video a like, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel. You can also find me on other platforms. I'll leave the links below. Again, I'm Justin Bennett from TurboBeads. Thanks for watching this video.